Hey Wanderlusters! If you like saving money while you travel, make sure you click the link in the description below for a cheeky little discount on your next SIM card adventure. Alright, picture this. You've just landed in Rome, all excited to post your first plate of pasta to Instagram, only to realize you've got no data, and you're one wrong turn away from starring in your own Lost in Europe documentary. Nightmare, right? So today I'm putting two of the biggest travel eSIM heavyweights head-to-head, Yesim and Roamless. Which one's going to keep you connected, and which one will leave you hunting for dodgy airport Wi-Fi? Let's find out. First up, Yesim. It's like the Mary Poppins bag of travel sims. Just download the app, pick your destination, and boom. Data in minutes without queuing at some kiosk with a dodgy exchange rate. Yesim covers over 120 countries, lets you pay by the day or by the gig, and even throws in a VPN. Data packages start cheap, like actual pocket change cheap, and the app's dead simple, even if you're running on 2 hours sleep and airport coffee fumes. Now Roamless. These folks promise unlimited internet wherever you go, so you can binge-watch cat videos in Bali or Zoom your mum from Mexico. It's all about fixed daily rates. No surprise bills, just one price per day, unlimited data. And if you're a commitment phobe, Roamless makes it super easy to cancel or pause your plan. Plus, the app's tidy and quick to set up. But let's get real. Yesim's ideal if you want control. Pick your country, pick your plan, save some dosh if you don't need loads of data. Roamless is for the data hungry. Think digital nomads, TikTok uploaders, or anyone who panics at the thought of low data warnings. My verdict? If you're a casual traveler hopping between hotspots, Yesim wins for flexibility. But if you live online and want unlimited everything, Roamless is your mate. Either way, don't forget to check the description below for that special offer. Happy travels, and may your signal bars always be full.